What's up guys, Perry from Rockville here, and today I'm going to show you how to set up master slave mode on your best.Our 50 par can wash lights. For this setup, we're going to want to set the light to the same wireless DMX signal by using this button underneath the light here. For today, we're going to set the signal on both lights to red. Next, we're going to want to set both lights to the same DMX address using the A settings. So we're going to set them both to A001 and press enter. From there, we can determine which light we want to have set as our master light. So I'm going to go to this guy here and set it to a mode like our color change mode. And now on the back of your master light, you'll see that the wireless DMX signal is flashing red, while the wireless DMX signal on your slave light is flashing green. And you should also be seeing that your lights are in sync in the color change mode. Now while we're in master slave mode, we can use any of the colors or modes with the lights, and we can also control all of the lights at once with the wireless remote. So with the remote, we can change it to any of the base colors of red, green, blue, white, amber, or ultraviolet, as well as the different variations of colors towards the bottom of your remote. With the remote, we can also set the lights to the preset modes like auto, strobe, fade, or even the sound mode. We can also use the up and down buttons on the top of the remote to change the speed of each mode. Now in case you didn't want to have the lights synced up together wirelessly, you can always use a DMX cable to connect each light. While doing this, you can also turn off the wireless DMX feature on both lights with the G setting. So I'm going to take the male end of my DMX cable and plug it into the DMX out on my first light. Then I'll take the other end and plug it into the DMX in on my next light. And we're just going to continue this process through the DMX out and the DMX ins to connect even more lights to our chain. Again, you want to set the light to the same DMX address, so we're going to set it to A001. So now I can set the lights to a mode or color using the controls on the light itself or with my wireless remote. So hopefully this showed you guys how easy it is to set up master slave mode with your best.Our 50 lights. But of course, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out to our customer support team through phone or email. As always, I'm Perry from Rockville, and we'll see you guys next time.